Hello, everyone. It's me, Mrs. Gronert, and today we are going to learn even more about adding numbers on an open number line. This is lesson number 2. Let's solve this equation using the open number line. Before we start, let's think about what we need to do to solve the equation. Do you remember the steps? Yes, that's right. The first thing we need to do to solve the equation is mark the first addend on the number line. So I'm going to take a red color and look at my addends. The first one is 75. So I'm going to put a dot here and mark my number line with the number 75. Okay, now what do I do? That's right. I look at the second addend. The second addend is 22. Now I have to think to myself, how many tens are in the number 22? Well, there are 2 tens. So I need to make 2 jumps of 10 on my number line. 1, 2. I'm going to mark those with the number 10 so I remember. Okay, what do I need to do next? That's right, I need to count to see where I landed. 75, this would be 85, and 10 more is 95. So I just landed on the number 95. Now I need to look at the second addend again and think, how many ones are in the number 22? That's right, there are 2 ones in the number 22. So now I can make 2 small jumps of 1 on my number line. 95, 96, 97. And I counted that as I was jumping, so I know that 75 plus 22 equals 97. That was cool. And I can put my answer right here on the line. There we go. 75 plus 22 equals 97. Oh, wow. Here's another one. Let's solve this equation using the open number line. Think about what you need to do to solve this equation. Do you know what the first step is? Oh, that is so good. You are right. We need to look at the 2 addends and mark the number line with the first addend. And that is 38. So I'm going to mark right here and write the number 38. Okay. What is the next step? Right. I need to look at the second addend in the equation, which is the number 15. And then I think, how many tens are in the number 15? You're right. There's 1 10 in the number 15. So I'm going to make 1 big jump of 10 and then count where I land. 38 and 1 more 10 is 48. Very cool. Now what do I do? I look at the addend again and I think, how many ones are in the number 15? Right, 5 ones. So I need to make 5 small jumps on the number line. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and finally, I need to count to see where I landed. 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. I just landed on the number 53. So I know that 38 plus 15 equals 53. Very cool. Okay, now that we solved those two two equations, I want you to choose one of the equations. Either choose 75 plus 22 or 38 plus 15. Take your time to explain to a friend how you solve these equations on an open number line. You can use the work you did solving them to help you explain. Did you remember to explain all of the steps? Let's take a look at those again. First, we marked the number line with the first addend in the equation. Next, we looked at the digits of the second addend. Then we made big jumps of 10 to represent the tens. After that, we counted by tens to see where we landed. Then we looked at the digits of the second addend again. After that, we made small jumps of 1 to represent the ones. Last, we counted where we landed and wrote the answer to the equation. That was great. Thanks for learning with me today, and I hope to see you again very soon.